This is another level A3 smartphone from Tecno. It is the Tecno Pop 7 Pro. It is a successor to the Pop 6 Pro from last year and it is priced around 68,000 naira. This device has pretty cool features as a level A3 smartphone, so for you to know more details about the Pop 7 Pro and without wasting much of your time, let's pipe on. What's up guys, it's just Flood here. In today's video, I'm going to be saying the specifications for the Tecno Pop 7 Pro. So the Tecno Pop 7 Pro is a successor to the Tecno Pop 6 Pro from last year and it was officially released on the 28th of January 2023. This device looks very cool, to be honest. I like the design of this device. It is fascinating and appealing at the same time. This device is made of the plastic and it encases a texture matte finish on the rear. Tecno Pop 7 Pro has a dual camera setup on the rear. Along it sits an LED flashlight with a responsive fingerprint sensor. Now let's talk about the display of this device. Tecno Pop 7 Pro sports a dual drop notch 6.5-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, and yeah, it refreshes at 60 Hz. Viewing content of the Tecno Pop 7 Pro is pretty cool, despite the fact that it is a level entry smartphone. The chipset powering this device is the MediaTek Helio A22. It is a 12nm built-on processor that is paired with an internal memory storage of 3GB RAM and 64GB of ROM. So you have enough space to store files like music, videos, games without worrying about space constraints or limitation. So the Helio A22 chipset is not that powerful enough to game high graphic games smoothly. Like the Call of Duty, the Free Fire and other games like that, it won't be able to play them smoothly and it can make your device get hot. So the only games that this device can game is just like Subway Surf, just little graphics game and stuff like that. So this device won't be able to play heavy games. Yeah, it has 4G connectivity. Browsing on this device will be smooth and fast. As for the camera aspect of this device, the Tecno Pop 7 Pro has dual camera lenses on the rear of this device, which are 30MP main camera and QVGA lens, while on the front it has a selfie shooter of 5MP. The camera is nice, but if you're expecting more, I don't think the camera will suit you. So it is a level A3 smartphone, remember, and you shouldn't be expecting more. Pop 7 Pro has a decent battery life of 5000 mAh that supports 10W charge. 5000 mAh is there to power all the features of this device. The 10W support charge is not that huge enough to power the device from 0 to 100 in just less minutes, so it's going to take you more time to charge this device from 0 to 100%, and while it is being charged, the 5000 mAh battery is okay enough to last you for a day. This device also has a really mounted fingerprint sensor and it's going to cost you 68,000 naira to get this device. So the Tecno Pop 7 Pro is a nice level entry smartphone. From the specification, this device looks very nice. The battery life, the camera and other stuff with this device. The only interesting part I like about this device is the design. I like the fact that when you're holding this device in your hand, people won't be able to find out if it's a level entry smartphone or not. But it is advisable if you're getting this smartphone, do not game heavy games on this smartphone to avoid your phone being hot or start lagging very badly. Yeah, so here comes the end of my specification video for the Tecno Pop 7 Pro. Tell me, what do you think about this device on the comment section? Are you impressed with the specifications and the price at the same time? Just let me know in the comment section. Please, if you have any question regarding to this device, do not hesitate at all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to always get notified whenever a new video drops. See you on my next video. Peace out.